In our previous tutorial, we have already learned what is Zustand and how to use it with a simple counter app. We took an example of simple counter app and understood how to use global state management, what is prop drilling, all those things, right? Now we will implement this Zustand in our e-commerce app. So let's change our index.js file again to use our original app component. Okay, this is our original app component where we have list of products. We can add them to favorites, and when we go to favorites, it will display those items, right? We did up to this point. Okay, go to favorites, go to cart. In cart we have 3 items: soap, shampoo, face wash. In favorite we have 2 items. Okay, soap and toothpaste. Now let's go to our app component, and here we will not do everything in a single file as we did in the sample example. Now we will create a separate store here. So within src, let us create a folder called store. Okay, and within this store we will create our Zustand store. So for now, what we need? For now, we need only the products that we fetched in our store, right? Then we will add to cart, add to favorites. So we need a cart, we need a favorite. Okay, and go to our home screen, screens, home screen. So in home screen we have these sample products. Generally this we will fetch from our backend, but that we will do later. For now, let us update with this much of sample products. Okay, so this one we are passing to our home screen here. In app, right? This cart, favorite, set cart, set favorite, these were we are passing from here. So these all things we will do within our store. So let us go to our store. And for now, create, let us say, use ecom or quickcom.js. Okay, we will import create from Zustand, and then use quickcom equal create. We will create in the same way what we did here, right? Create, then set. Okay, so create, then set, then an object, right? Follow this approach. So create, then set, and set we are passing to this callback function, and this callback function will return this object. Okay, so here this set we will pass to this callback function, and this callback function will create the object. Okay, then we need our initial state. So here in initial state we have count, and with count we have cart and our favorite both. As I told you earlier, you have to decide which you need to be local, which you need to be global. For now, this list of products we are using only in our home screen, so we don't need to make it global, right? But the cart and favorite we want to use it here in home screen as well as in cart screen. Similarly, favorite in home screen as well as in favorite screen, both. So that's why let us create a cart here. Let's go to the home screen and see. Sorry, in app we have cart and favorites, right? So we will name it same so that we can replace. Yes, so cart, it is empty, and then favorite, it is also empty. Okay, these two are our initial states. Then set cart, okay, so this set cart will get the item and it will add it to our previous state. Okay, so here we will update the cart with our previous state. Okay, and the new item. Got it? Let me increase a little bit. Okay, set cart, it is the reducer, or you can say the update state function. It will receive the item that you pass from home screen when you click the button. Okay, then it will receive the current state and will update the cart with whatever cart is there earlier. Okay, we are using spread operator to spread that. Then it will add a new item to it. Similarly, set favorites, let us use that same name. Okay, here rest everything will be same. Only in place of cart we will use favorites. Okay, now we will export it from here and import. Do we need it in our app? Let us comment it, and in the home screen as well. We no need to pass it from here, right? Now it is saying cannot read property length because we removed it from here. So let's go to our home screen. Then here we need all those, right? And we are not receiving as a prop. Sorry, I need those. So let me cut it from here. We are not receiving as a prop, but we will receive it from our use ecom store. Use quickcom. Right? So now we fixed it in our home screen, and home screen passes this to our cart and favorite. So that also we will remove, but for now let's use it like this. So click on favorite, favorite, favorite. Okay, then click on go to favorites. It is not displaying anything here. Why are we passing this? Yes, we are passing this, but still it is not displaying. So cart set favorite, set favorite previous. Okay, for set favorite and set cart, still we are using those state functions, but instead of that we should use this one, set cart and set favorite, right? So set favorite, and we will pass only the product that we received here. Okay, and similarly for set cart, only the product. We are passing only the item. Rest everything our Zustand will handle, right? So let's go back, add to favorite, go to favorites. Yes, now it is added. Okay. Then add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, go to cart. Yes. Okay. Now come to our cart screen. We will do the same thing there and will not pass it from here, those props. So where is that? Add to cart, add to cart. And while navigating, we are passing those props, right? So here. So we will remove this, favorites and cart. We are not passing it as a prop anymore. So let's see, go to favorites. It is not displaying anything, no favorites yet, because we are not passing anything. So now go to favorite screen. And here, favorites, where we are, yes. Now we will comment this line and we will write favorites equal use quick come. Okay, we got it. Now go to cart screen and here as well we will comment this portion and we will write cart equal use quick come. Okay, now go to cart. Yes, we have everything here, right? Now let's do a quick advancement here. Suppose we want to delete something from cart, then where we will do? We will do it here, right? But till now we don't have that option to delete anything. Okay, and okay, these things, okay, let it be, no issue. Okay, and from favorites, if we want to delete anything, we will, or if we want to add something to cart, then we will. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go to our cart screen first and delete something. So to do that, let's add that functionality in our use quick come. Okay, till now we have this set favorite and set cart. Now let us use our new functions delete favorite and delete cart. Okay, so delete cart. Okay. Here what we will do, we will access only item ID. Okay, or we can access the complete item as well, like earlier, not a big deal. But here in set, okay, that then cart will be stat dot cart dot filter. Okay, how we will filter? Based on let us say single cart. Okay, so single cart dot id not equal item dot id. Okay, so what we did here, we got that item which we want to delete. Then we filtered the existing cart with the id not equal to this id. Okay, to delete that. Now let's test it. So we will use it in our cart. Let's go to cart screen. Okay, we will access that as well. Delete cart so that we can remove that. It is delete cart, right? Let's check it. So store, delete cart. Always remember these names as these are named export. So if you did anything wrong, then it will not work. So let us paste it, delete cart. Now we will use it in each item. Where are our items? Yes, here. Cart screen, go to favorites, go to home. Yes, this one. Okay. Cart.map item text. We have only one text now. So let us wrap it within view. Okay, and use another button. For now, let's use this custom button that we have created in a session. Okay, it will save our time. In previous session itself, we created this, right? So let's go to cart screen. This is the custom button that we will use. So let us here, right? Custom button, title equal remove. Okay, and on press equal delete cart, this item. We need only the id, so we can pass only id as well. Okay, that's up to you. Now let's go back, add something to our cart, then go to cart. Pressable does not exist. Yes, we have to import it. Instead of touchable opacity, we used pressable, right? So go to cart. Yes, we have this remove here. Click on remove. This shampoo got removed. Click on face wash, remove. This face wash got removed. Okay. Let's add again 3-4 more items. This touchable opacity has a nice animation, right? It fades a little bit, but this don't. Okay, this don't have any feedback. So that we can do. Let's improvise this a little bit. So how we will do? Here this styling. Okay, this we can change. So here we will get pressed, and if pressed, then this opacity we will change to, let us say, 0.5 or 0.6. Okay, if not pressed, then it will be 1, and we will wrap it. So background, this should return this object. So we will wrap it within parentheses. Okay, so if pressed, it will return this one, otherwise this one, and unexpected token. Okay, we don't need to wrap this. Okay, now if you click, you can see that animation like your touchable opacity. Okay, that's why you should use pressable, as touchable opacity is already deprecated, and pressable has all the functionalities. You can use it in any way you want. Okay, either you can do it with animation or without animation, it is up to you. Okay, now we have this remove button. If you want to show this remove button on the side, then you can do that, with the use of flex direction as row. So we will not go to that point now. Okay, now let's come back. Suppose you want to add something from favorites. Let us say these are in favorites. Okay, you either want to remove it or want to add it to cart. Then how we will do? So this custom button, we need it somewhere else, right? So that we can import it. So let us create a components folder in our SRC. Okay, and within components, let us create this custom button. Okay, and we will import it here. Okay, maybe we have not used export. Yes, so export default custom button. Now we will import it. Okay, and let's see whether it is working or not. So go to cart. Here in custom button, we have to import all these things: pressable text. So import pressable and text, and now it should work. Yes, remove. Yes, everything is working fine now, right? Now go to our favorite screen. We will import that same custom button here. Okay, what happened, bro? Now let's use it here in favorite map. Yes, we will add a view here. And this view has this custom button whose title is add to cart. Okay, now come to favorites. Yes, we have add to cart. Now here with favorites we need add to cart as well, right? Until now we have this. Yes, we have set cart. Okay, this should be add cart, right? We are adding it, not setting. Okay, not an issue. We will change this later. For now, let us go with this because that is not our priority. Our priority is favorite screen now. So set cart. Okay, and here add to cart on press equal set cart with item. Okay, so now this soap we will add from here, add to cart. Okay, then go to cart. You can see shampoo and soap. Go back, add face wash, go to cart. So shampoo, soap, face wash, all three are here. Let's remove everything. Now the cart is empty. From favorites we are adding to cart. Okay, see soap is there. Okay, I think I don't need to add a remove to the favorite because you already know how to remove it, right? The same functionality you can use there.